I'm going to show you guys how to make or change a party leader on Fortnite on a gaming console like the PlayStation or the Xbox or Nintendo Switch, okay? So very easy here, all right? So you can see that I'm currently in a party and you're always like in the middle and my friend's back there. I know that I'm the party leader because I had that little tiny crown up there, all right? Now let's say I want to give it the crown to somebody else. The only guy is over there. So what I'm going to do is highlight him. I'm going to move over, highlight him, and then I'm going to press the X on the PlayStation remote, or you select the letter A on the Xbox remote. Select that. This comes up. Just go to Manage right there, and then you can make Party Leader. So I click on that, and now I close it. Now you can see the party leader has the crown. Now my friend is the party leader. Pretty simple. And the party leader is the one that chooses zero build or battle royale, duo, trio, squad, fill, no fill, and so on.